What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and today's video is a hair video sponsored by Isee Hair. So, getting straight into it, when you open up the box, there's the hair, there's 2 wig caps, there is their flyer with all their information on it, and here's the beautiful hair. It is a 13x4 transparent lace front deep curly wig. I was trying to switch up the look a little bit and tried to do a skunk stripe, but we'll just go into the video and you'll see exactly how that went. So instead of doing the bald cap method or even wearing a wig cap, for this video I chose to wear the silicone non-slip wig headband, so because I'm going for like a glueless look, I'm not using any bold hold or anything like that. I pre-bleached the knots off camera, so now I'm just putting some foundation on the lace, and to seal it in I spray that with some Got To Be free spray and blow dry it so it can dry, so when I put it on my head I don't sweat and then the foundation runs into my face, all that stuffy stuff. So yeah, then I put it on my head, fit it to see if I like where the hairline is gonna be, all that stuff, and then I go ahead and cut off the ear tabs. And then I put the Got To Be glue along my hairline, a little lower than my hairline. That's where I want to place the wig. The girl got a big forehead, so conceal the forehead. So yeah. Put on one layer, blow dry, put on another layer, blow dry, and then I slit the lace into 3 because it makes it easier to lay it down properly. I guess that's what the YouTube girlies said. I'm just doing what they do. So yeah, after I do that, I just put on one more layer again. Let that get tacky, and then I start fitting on the lace. So after I put on the lace, then I tied up. I don't have an elastic band, so I just use the headscarf, and then I try to focus on the hair, get myself a nice little middle part, and I just wet the hair with some water and conditioner in a bottle, and then brush it out, and that's just really it for the hair. After that's done, then I cut off the lace with this razor. I don't know an exact name for them. I just buy it on Chinaman shop. So I do it in sections, and then wherever the lace is lifting a little bit, I just go back with a little free spray, use the end of the rat tail comb to press it in. And then I rub off the excess glue with some rubbing alcohol. Then we move on to the baby hairs. Girl was struggling because the fan was on. I was extremely hot and I was not going to turn it off, so I was struggling a little bit, but yeah. Then I did what everybody's doing now with the new trend of flat ironing the baby hairs, but I don't have a small flat iron, so I decided to flat iron it first and then cut it and then lay it down with some mousse. I think I used mousse. If I didn't use mousse, I probably used some Eco Styler gel. Yeah. So then cut the baby hairs while the lace was still laying. So then I went in with my wax stick and the hot comb just to flatten out the top part so it doesn't look too poofy. Then I wet the hair because it got dried up, so I wet the hair and did all that again. Took off that thing, was not looking cute, I just had to pretend that I was not devastated on camera. But then I just went ahead, did my edges, and prayed that that white cast around my hairline would go away. Yeah. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I was not feeling this hair, but you know, just keep watching and you'll see how it turned out. Okay guys, so that is that. You've come to the end of this video. As you can see, when I was doing my hair was blonde. The skunk stripe was just not working out for me. I hated it. I was beginning to hate the entire hair. I was wondering, like, is this hair for me? I don't know if it's for me. But then, you know, I decided that I need to get this back black. I didn't have any dye on me, so you know, the old trick with the mascara, that is what I used, and that's how I got this back to black. When I do get some dye, I will dye it back black, but other than that, the hair is gorgeous. I just feel like this type of style always goes well with this length hair. I don't know, when I tried to just leave it alone or, you know, do a side part, it was like, Jesus, man, cook. I completely forgot I was cooking. Anyways, yeah, I just feel like these types of hairstyles go well with this length hair because, you know, it's just giving cute, it's giving preppy, you know, yeah. And it goes extremely well with, you know, a bare face. I don't have on any makeup whatsoever. It's just giving, and I'm just so glad that I got to put the mascara on it because I was not going to come on camera with that blonde patch in my head. It looked like it was a bad dye job, and I know girl is not a hairstylist, girl is not a hairdresser, but you know, I'm gonna try. And I feel like this is one of my best installations, to be honest. Like I did that. Maybe here so I could have plucked a little bit more. I don't know, it looks good to me. So if it looks good to me, I don't care what none of y'all gotta say. But you know, if you do know a little about hair and stuff, you can leave some constructive criticism in the comments below. Let me know if you liked this hair. If you do purchase, you know, tell them Shelby sent you. If I do have a coupon code, I will put it in the description box. I can't remember. All the links and stuff to this hair will be in the description box below if you would like to purchase, which I think you should because, you know, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Until next time, my seashells. You know, I haven't done a YouTube video in so long. I forgot my intro and outro. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment what other videos you'd like me to do for y'all. And on that note, see you guys in the next video. Bye.